Google Classroom. Once you have logged into Google Classroom, you can find Google Classroom by going to classroom.google.com. Once you get there, you're going to log in as a teacher. Make sure you log into a teacher account. You're going to get to a screen that looks like this. In the top right hand section, you're going to find this plus sign. You're going to hit the plus sign and you're going to hit create a class. We're going to label our class today. We're going to call it 7th grade math. So we're going to call it 7th grade and we're going to label it math. Our section, I recommend you do your section as a school year. So 2023, 2024. If you do not want to add in subject or room, you do not need to, but you can. You can call it math and then you can give it your specific room that you are in. Hit create. You are going to give it some time for, I guess, Google to do its magic. Once your class has been created, it will populate into your classroom section, which will look like this. So we just created 7th grade math. All right. Thank you. That is how you create a Google Classroom.